simpleng gawa, mas malakas kaysa libong salita. This is my day 82. Minsan gusto nating mag-inspire ng iba, mga anak natin, asawa, kaibigan. Pero nakakalimutan natin ang unang hakbang ay magsimula sa ating sarili. Mahirap magturo ng faith kung tayo mismo ay hindi nakikita sa gawa. Good morning po or anumang oras ka nanonood ng video na ito. Ako si Rosalie, a wife, a mama, and a believer na natutong hindi lang magsalita ng panampalataya, kundi pamuhay na ito. Kasi leadership isn't about position, it's about action inspired by faith. Through consistency and trust in God, people begin to see Him through, working through your life. We all want to be light, to influence our children, friends, and even co-workers by the way we live and serve. We want our lives to reflect Jesus, not just in words, but in action filled with love, humility, and integrity. When your action matches your faith, your life becomes your greatest testimony. You don't have to preach loudly. Your kindness, patience, and perseverance already speak volumes. To every working mom na pagod pero patuloy pa rin. To every OFW na nagsasakripisyo para sa pamilya. And to every believer na patuloy na umaasa kahit may pinagdadaanan. Your consistency is ministry. Sabi nga sa Mateo 5:16, let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. Kapag nakikita ng iba kung paano kumikilos ang Diyos sa buhay mo, sila mismo ang may hikayat na lumapit sa Kanya. My digital business, my work, my family life, lahat yan ay platforms para makita ng mundo kung gaano kabuti ang Diyos. So keep showing up with faith, keep serving with joy, and keep acting with purpose. Because someone out there is watching your example and finding hope through you. God bless you po and see you tomorrow for more live video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.